Hi, this is Kathy, Research Project 1A. I have chosen online stationery store for my website development project. These are the list of 10 different websites that I have selected for my research. The pandemic has changed the methods of shopping, which has led to decrease in the physical shopping due to higher risk. This led to increase in online shopping. There has been increase of 4% in media and books, 8% in education and online sector. With the increase in customer base, a significant boost has been observed in the e-commerce sales. The primary findings from the interview led to the identification that people prefer online shopping more due to the pandemic, and the primary concerns for the shopping were photograph of the product, variety of the product, quality of the product, and customer policies. The site is targeted for the male and female of all age group, mainly for the people who do not wish to shop physically from the store, as well as for the parents who wish to access all kinds of stationery for their kids. After conducting the interviews of what kind of a person will visit the website is as follow. Someone who is aged between 16 to 25, is working or a student, has easygoing, fun, playful, intuitive personality, and at last someone who loves stationery. Side goal: selling basic as well as aesthetic stationery online. Competitor analysis. Here are the examples of some websites. Each of them has consistent finding as they are similar in design characteristics, which are muted pink tones, hero images for the products in the homepage, horizontal navigation for easy access of the products. Looking at the typographic details, the contrast in the fonts have been observed, which are handwritten fonts for the title, serif and sans serif fonts for the various other information. These are the other group of websites which had different characteristics and layout in terms of designs. Number 2 had a live image which represented its concept for sustainable stationery and website. Few of them had negative white space once we scrolled down. Website number 3 and 5 have extra space at the sides, and it adjusted to the desktop version, and this wasn't the case when we switched to the mobile phones. Here is the table showing competitor analysis. The consistent findings were photographs of the product, discount, coupon codes, effective branding, customer policies. And none of these websites had a provision for same-day delivery. These are the few attributes defining strength, weakness, and consistent findings in the website, which are hero images, easy navigation, horizontal panel, and customer supports. This is the graph for novelty versus familiarity, where I want my website to be beautiful yet not so complex for people to get lost while navigating the products. User goal: a website which is easy to navigate, which is interactive, aesthetically concerned, as aesthetics was one of the key elements to attract the customers as it led them to believe the same for the products. And it should be unique but not complex enough for a person to get lost in the website. Thank you.